Okay, I'm here with I'm talking a fresh one here. 2018 Honda Civic EX-T, okay? Let's start it out. We're gonna go over some good things about the vehicle, okay? Listen, fog lights, you have down here. Got the chrome style with the headlights as well. Definitely put a unique, bold feature on the vehicle itself. Breakaway mirrors, that way in case you get any tight spots. I'm gonna take you in the back, show you the trunk and exactly how everything looks for this 2018 Honda Civic EX-T. Stay tuned. Okay, definitely something good here. I wanna show you 60-40 split when it comes to actual seats. Give you a little more additional room just in case you're lugging some things additional. Undercover as well when it comes to your spare tire, just in case anything needed for that. Let me take you into the front side, okay? Again, this would be the back seat passenger side. Ample room, ample space as well too. You got the cloth in there with the mats as well. A real good tan finish. You can take a look into the front here. You got dual climate control, backup camera, audio off the steering wheel just as well. Not only that, you have your econ just as well too. Nice little layered texture coming in the middle with the mats. I need you guys to come in and take a look at this 2018 Honda Civic EX-T. You're gonna love it. Okay, just finishing up here again, this will be on the 2018 Honda Civic EX-T. Listen, right across the street from Walmart. Number to reach me, 724-717-1500. My name is Mike McKinnon. I'm at Delaney Honda. Come through, test drive this. I'll show you everything you need to know about the vehicle.